Namaste students, welcome to biology class. Today we will discuss the topic 11th standard biobotany, the living world, the topic economic importance of bacteria. Already you know what is the economic importance of bacteria. It is a useful in the man. The bacteria are both beneficial and harmful. Beneficial is the it is a useful to the human, then harmful is the it is causing the disease. The beneficial activities of bacteria are given in the table 1.2. So in the table the beneficial bacteria is present. We will see the first one, the beneficial aspect in bacteria. Then what is the role of the bacteria? First one is the soil fertility. Fertility of the soil. The soil oda it is a taram, mannin taram, soil fertility. The ammonification. Ammonification it is the soil fertility. What is the name of the bacteria it is involved in the fertility of the soil? Bacillus ramos. Bacillus ramos. And second bacteria it is the Bacillus mycots. So the two bacteria it is involving the ammonification. What is the role of the bacteria? This bacteria it is a convert the complex protein in the dead bodies of the plant and animals into the ammonia, which is the later converted into the ammonium salt because of the death and decay of the bacteria. ஸோ இந்த டெத் ஆஃப் த பாடியில் இருந்து அம்மோனியா ரிலீஸ் ஆகுது. அந்த ரிலீஸ் ஆகிற அம்மோனியா கன்வெர்ட் ஆகி அம்மோனியம் சால்ட்டாக நம்மளுக்கு அந்த சாயில் ஃபர்டிலிட்டிக்கு ஹெல்ப் பண்ணுது. ஓகே, த நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன் இட் இஸ் த நைட்ரிஃபிகேஷன். What is nitrification? So what is the name of the bacteria is involved? Nitrofactor and Nitrosomonas. So what is this role of the bacteria? This bacteria convert the ammonium salt into the nitrates and the nitrates. The bacteria it is convert the ammonium salt into the nitrates and the nitrates. Okay, the next soil fertility bacteria is the nitrogen fixation bacteria. So what is the name of the bacteria? Azotobacter, Clostridium and Rhizobium. The three bacteria is the nitrogen fixation bacteria. So what is the role of the bacteria? Converting the atmospheric nitrogen into the organic nitrogen. அந்த நைட்ரஜன் வந்துட்டு ஆர்கானிக் நைட்ரஜனாக கன்வெர்ட் பண்ணுது. The nitrogenous compound and the oxidize into the nitrogen. Nitrogenous compoundலேருந்து oxidize mean burning to the nitrogen. burn ஆகி நம்மளுக்கு நைட்ரஜன் கிடைக்கிது. Then all the activities of bacteria increase the soil fertility. ஸோ இந்த எல்லா ஆக்டிவிட்டீஸ்னாலையும் நம்மளுக்கு அந்த சாயிலோட ஃபர்டிலிட்டி வந்துட்டு நம்மளுக்கு இன்க்ரீஸ் ஆகுது. ஸோ மண்ணோட தரம் நம்மளுக்கு எப்படி இருக்குன்னா நல்ல ஒரு குட் குவாலிட்டியான மண் வளம் நம்மளுக்கு கிடைக்கிது. ஸோ மண் வளம் குட் குவாலிட்டி இருந்தால் தான் நம்மளுக்கு பிளான்ட்டோட க்ரோத் வந்துட்டு நம்மளுக்கு நல்ல க்ரோத்தாக நம்மளுக்கு கிடைக்கும். ஓகே, ஸோ திஸ் ஒன்லி இட் இஸ் அ சாயில் fertility bacteria. The next one is the antibiotics. Antibiotics. So antibiotics, what are the bacteria it is involved? It is the streptomycin. Already you know it is the streptomycin. What is the antibiotics? Antibiotics mean medicine. ஸோ மெடிசனில் என்னென்ன பாக்டீரியா நம்ம வந்து யூஸ் பண்ணுறோம் அதை இப்போ பார்க்க போகிறோம். The antibiotics, first one is the streptomycin. So streptomycin it is the Streptomyces griseus. Name of the bacteria is the Streptomyces griseus. What is the role? The role is the it cures urinary infection and tuberculosis. இது வந்து எதை க்யூர் பண்ணுனா urinary infection, நம்மளோட யூரினோட இல்லை ஏதாவது ஒரு இன்ஃபெக்ஷன் இருக்கலாம். அண்ட் டியூபர்க்ளோசஸ் நம்மளுக்கு தெரியும் இட் இஸ் அ TB. What is the bacteria? Mycobacterium tuberculosis is causing the TB. Okay, good. Then next one is the meningitis and next one is the pneumonia. So this fully it is the antibiotics it is used and cure the this fully disease, urinary infections, tuberculosis, meningitis and pneumonia. What is the name of the bacteria? Streptomyces griseus. Yes. Okay. The next one is the aureomycin. What is the name of the bacteria? Aureomycin. What is the bacteria name? Is the Streptomyces aureofaciens. Streptomyces aureofaciens. What is the role? This rolling is the it is used to medicine to treat the coughing, cough and eye infection. It is a medicine to treat. It is a cure the cough and the eye infection. Okay. The next bacteria is the chloromycetium. Chloromycetium. What is the name of the bacteria? The name of the bacteria is the Streptomyces viniculus. Streptomyces viniculus. It is a role, it is a cure the typhoid fever. So the what is the it is cure? It is curing the typhoid fever. Okay, typhoid fever it is causing the what is the name of the bacteria? Yeah, correct. The name of the bacteria is the Salmonella typhi. Okay, already you know. Yes, okay. The next one is the Pesitetrin. 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 What is the name of the bacteria? Bacillus licheniformis. Bacillus licheniformis. Bacillus licheniformis. What is the role? It is used to treat the syphilis. It is used to treat the syphilis disease. Syphilis is the already you know it is the name of the disease. This disease is cured to the this name of the bacteria. And next one is polymyxin. Polymyxin, it is a bacteria name is the Bacillus polymyxima. Bacillus polymyxima. What is the role? The role is the it is cure some bacterial disease. It is the cure the some bacterial disease. So this one only antibiotics. What are the antibiotics? Streptomycin, ariomycin, chloromycin, pacitidine and polymycin. Okay. The next one is the industrial uses. So what are the bacteria? It is used in industries. So first one is the lactic acid. Lactic acid already you know. Yes, your day to day life it is used for the this type of the bacteria only. Lactobacillus and lactobacillus it is a lactis and the bulgarius. Lactobacillus lactis and the lactobacillus bulgarius. What is the use? It is a role is the convert the milk sugar lactase into the lactic acid. So milk is convert to the curd. What is the reason? This bacteria only lactobacillus lactis. Okay. The next one is the butter. Butter, what is the name of the bacteria? It is the Lactococcus lactis and Leconostick and Citrovorum. Lactococcus lactis and Leconostick and Citrovorum. What is the role? The next one is the cheese. Cheese also, it is the Lactobacillus acidophilus and Lactobacillus lactis. Lactobacillus acidophilus and Lactobacillus lactis, this name of the bacteria. What is the role? The role is the curd, milk, it is butter and cheese, curd and yogurt. Then curd. Curd is the Lactobacillus lactis. It is the same bacteria. And yogurt. Yogurt is the Lactobacillus bulgarius. So mainly this industrial use, it is a lactobacillus lactis and lactobacillus bulgarius. What is the role? The role is the convert the milk into the butter, cheese, curd and yogurt. So this used for the industries. And next one is the vinegar. Vinegar, already you know, it is a long time of the duration. For example, you preparing the pickles. Yes, the pickles is the maximum you are using for the 1 year or 6 month or 3 month. What is that? Is a long time of the duration, because this is a very important for the vinegar. So vinegar is used and prepare the pickles. It is a maximum, it is a without spoilage in the 1 year. So vinegar, what is the acid? It is the acetic acid. What is the name of the bacteria? It is a Acetobacter acidi. What is the name of the bacteria? It is a Acetobacter acidi. What is the role? The role is that the bacteria oxidize the ethyl alcohol obtained from the molasses by the fermentation into vinegar. So fermentation means, what is the fermentation? Yeah, correct. Fermentation means long time of duration. So this bacteria oxidize the ethyl alcohol and obtained from the molasses by the fermentation to the vinegar. What is the acid? Acetic acid. Okay, next one is the alcohol and the acetone. So alcohol and acetone, what are the two? Is the butyl alcohol and methyl alcohol. Butyl alcohol and methyl alcohol. So what is the name of the bacterium? Clostridium acetobutadium. Clostridium acetobutadium. So alcohol and acetones are prepared from molasses by the fermentation activity of the anaerobic bacteria. Alcohol and acetone are prepared from the molasses by the fermentation. Already you know, it is a drugs. It is a fermentation product. It is during the anaerobic bacteria. What is meant by anaerobic bacteria? Anaerobic bacteria means it is without using the oxygen. Yes. This bacteria, oxygen is not utilized for the respiration. So this bacteria name is the anaerobic bacteria. Okay. The next one is the ting of the fibers. It is what is the name of the bacteria? Clostridium tertium. Clostridium tertium. So what is the beneficial? It is a beneficial. It is a role. The fibers from the fiber yielding plant and separated by the action of Clostridium and called the rating of the fibers. So the fibers from the fiber yielding plant separated by the action of the Clostridium, it is called the heading the fibers. Then next one is the vitamins. Vitamins, already you know. Yes, what is the name of the bacteria? Escherichia coli. Escherichia coli, it is commonly it is called the E. coli bacteria. So what is the role? The role is the living in the intestine of the human, produce the large quantities of the vitamin K and vitamin B complex. The living in the intestine of the human. இது நம்மக்கிட்ட எங்கே இருக்குன்னா, நம்மளோட இன்டஸ்டைனில் அது இருக்கும். அது வந்து ப்ரொடியூஸ் பண்ணுது. இட் இஸ் அ லார்ஜ் குவான்டிட்டி ஆஃப் த விட்டமின் கே அண்ட் விட்டமின் பி காம்ப்ளெக்ஸ். ஸோ இட் இஸ் அ ஹெல்ப்ஃபுல் டு த ஹியூமன். Then next one is the Clostridium acetobutarium. Clostridium acetobutarium. This Clostridium acetobutarium is the vitamin B2. It is prepared by the fermentation of the sugar. This vitamin B2, it prepared by the fermentation of the sugar. Okay. The next one is the curing of the tea and the tobacco. The Micrococcus candians. This name of the bacteria, Micrococcus candiensis and Bacillus megatherium and Bacillus megatherium. What is the role? The role is the special flavor and aroma of the tea and tobacco due to the fermentation. The special flavor and aroma of the tea and tobacco due to the fermentation. Tobacco already you know, yes, the புகையிலை. What is the purpose? It is used for the many flavor of the chewing gums. Yes, so the special flavor and aroma of the tea and tobacco are due to the fermentation product. Fermentation means it is a long time of duration. So this table only, it is the economic importance of bacteria. This tabulation is the very important tabulation. Okay, we will see next tabulation is the bacteria are known to cause disease in the plant, animals and human. பாக்டீரியா வந்து டிசீஸ் காஸ் பண்ணுதுன்னு நம்மளுக்கு தெரியும். அது வந்து ஹியூமனுக்கும் டிசீஸ் காஸ் பண்ணுது, பிளான்ட்டுக்கும் டிசீஸ் காஸ் பண்ணுது அண்ட் அனிமல்ஸ்க்கும் டிசீஸ் காஸ் பண்ணுது. ஸோ அந்த லிஸ்ட்டு தான் இப்போ நம்ம செகண்ட் பார்க்க போகிறோம். த பாக்டீரியா இஸ் காசிங் த டிசீஸ் இன் பிளான்ட், அனிமல்ஸ் அண்ட் ஹியூமன். The list is given in the table 1.8, 1.9 and 1.10. So first table is the plant disease caused by the bacteria. So பாக்டீரியானால் பிளான்ட்டுக்கு என்னென்ன டிசீஸ் வருது அப்படி தான் பார்க்க போகிறோம். பிளான்ட் டிசீஸ் காஸ்டு பை பாக்டீரியா. First one, name of the host. Second one is the name of the disease. And the third one is the name of the pathogen. First one, name of the host is the rice. So what is first one? Rice. What is the name of the disease? Bacterial blind. Bacterial blind. So what is the name of the pathogen? Pathogen means disease causing germs. Xanthomonas oryzae. Xanthomonas oryzae. Okay. Next one is the apple. What is the name of the disease? Fire blind disease. What is the name of the pathogen? It is a Yersinia amylovora. Yersinia amylovora. Okay. Next one, name of the host is the carrot. What is the name of the disease? It is the soft rot disease. What is the name of the pathogen? It is the Yersinia carotovora. Yersinia carotovora. Next one is the citrus. What is the name of the disease? Citrus cancer. Citrus canker. Yeah, name of the disease is a citrus canker. What is the name of the pathogen? It is a Xanthomonas citri. Xanthomonas citri. Next one is the cotton. Cotton, what is the name of the disease? Angular leaf spot. Angular leaf spot. What is the name of the pathogen? It is the Xanthomonas malvacearum. Xanthomonas malvacearum. Okay, next one is the potato. What is the name of the disease? It is a ring rot disease. What is the name of the pathogen? Is the Clavibacter michiganiensis subspecies is the Sepidoniscus. So this name of the pathogen. Then one more, it is the potatoes present. What is the name of the disease? Is the scab disease. What is the name of the pathogen? Streptomyces scabies. Streptomyces, it is the scabies. That is the name of the disease. And next one is the animal disease caused by the bacteria. So first you finish for the plant disease is caused by the okay. Next one is the animal disease caused by bacteria. What is the name of the disease? The name of the disease is the first animal. What is the first animal? Yeah, see. What is the name of the disease? Anthrax. What is the name of the pathogen? Bacillus anthracoccus. Bacillus anthracoccus. cattle. Next one, what is the name of the disease? Brucellosis. What is the name of the pathogen? Brucella aprotus. Okay, thank you, students.